Today we are going to learn how to fold socks. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do with our socks is we're going to sort them and match them up. So you find the colors that match and the shape and you match them up. We're going to learn how to fold socks two different ways. Okay, first way we're going to make it into a ball, and the second is going to be a fold. So for the ball, you're going to take your socks and your hands are going to be like this, okay? Your finger, your thumb is going to hold these three sides on this side, and your thumb and the finger are going to hold one. This hand is going to push into the sock, and this side of the sock is going to wrap around the hand. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to push it in, push your hand up, 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 up. You see how it's going up? This hand is going to roll it over, and there we have a ball. Okay, next one we're going to do is we're going to fold. So we match our socks up, we take it from the bottom and we go halfway. One fold, two. And that's how you fold socks. And you can come back to this video anytime and watch it if you need to see it again. Okay, until next time.